Herman and Dorothy Shooster Nature Preserve is now open and available for Broward County residents and visitors to enjoy. Thanks to a 2000 bond measure, this nature preserve has been transformed into an urban oasis with amenities such as nature trails and picnic tables, several species of birds, frogs, and turtles are now thriving in the park. Please adhere to the CDC recommendations regarding social distancing and mask use when visiting the park. To find out more about Herman and Dorothy Shooster Nature Preserve, visit broward.org/parks.